gonna check my email. Hey, Strongman, do you ever do TV commercials for monster truck shows? I think you would be great for the voiceovers. Your devoted fans, Stan and Loretta. Oh, that's very sweet. Look, Dan and Linda, Strongman doesn't sell out to anybody, man. No matter how monstrous their truck show may or may not be. Though I have done the occasional promo for the events we hold in Strongbadia. In fact, I think there's one coming up this Sunday! Awesome Pride! It's Strongbadia! Thrill! As the cheese attempts to jump the tire over the KOT, eating a cardboard box covered in syrup! This is some good cake! Chill! As Strongman smashes Margie Time's guitar over Homestar's head!
Let's do this like Brutus.
Recoil in horror as the Pooksmith lights a smoke bomb! And then, you'll just have to be there to find out! Adult admission is still just $5! Kids and old people not allowed! Without a bucket of fried chicken for me! Stick around after the show for a free performance by Limousine!
Heart of lion with the wings of a bat because midnight.
Heart of a lion, the wings of some stuff because of something. Oh man, I love that song. I can't wait for this Sunday. Sunday.